Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your Mac OS version and installing the player you want as default. This matters because system dialogues differ by release. Once done, pick one video file to change first. Right-click that file and choose Get Info. This opens the File Association controls. Make sure the player you installed appears in the Open with menu. If it does not, restart Finder or reinstall the app so Mac OS recognizes its bundle. You now change the association for the specific file type. In Get Info, use Open With and select the new player. This tells Mac OS which app to use for that extension. Then click Change All to propagate the choice to every file of that type. This step writes the association into launch services so future double-clicks open correctly. If you handle multiple extensions, repeat for MP4, MKV, MOV. Each extension has its own mapping. Finish by repeating association for other extensions you use, or automate with a small terminal script to set multiple types. If Mac OS ignores your choice, reset launch services using a terminal command. This rebuilds associations and often fixes conflicts. Make sure to restart Finder or log out and back in so changes stick. If problems persist, check the app's info. Plist or reinstall the player. Corrupted app metadata is a common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.